Hello, we're on our way.
Umalis sila eh. Bumalik ata sila sa function room.
We're back. I'm back at DiMatubo Falls. So, now we're walking under the mga tubo. Unlike before, doon ang daan. Ngayon, nagbago na yung daan. So, medyo ingat lang ng konti. Ayan. So, the last time I was here, we were walking all the way up from there. Now, we're walking near the tubes. So, dado yun sa bagyo ng Lando last time. Kinain yung lupa. Kaya naging na siya. See? That was hard. Now, this is the easy part. Done the hard part. This is the easy way, easy walk all the way up. So yeah, that was a tough trek, and like the first time, that was hard. We're almost halfway there. God, that's yikes. So we're almost there. Almost there. It's there. Over there. So we are so near the mother falls of DiMatubo Falls up there. My God, it's so tiring walk. There's our guide, and this is me. So hard over oh my God, watch out! And we are here. Yes. Wow. Oh my God, ganda. Picture tayo. Sige. Ganda. Awesome. So yan. Guys, kamusta?
Oh yeah, huh? What?
Kamusta naman?
So, alam mo, the best. Best that ever.
Interview ulit. Kamusta ba yan? Hello, kamusta naman? Naka-periscope tayo. Mga fans.